everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber, if you don't know me. If you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today, me and Kenzie are going to be doing a video. This is my niece, by the way. We're going to be doing a video about her doing my makeup. So if you would like to know how she did this look on me, keep on watching. So, Kenzie, do you want to explain what type of look you want to do on me? Just put it up to camera.
I can't. That's got it.
And even then, if we don't get it, I'll just screenshot that now and we'll put it in. If you want to learn how Kenzie's going to recreate this look onto my face, just keep on watching. I've never done it in front of someone before, you know. So what are you going to start with? Oh, it's a hair. It's not even my hair.
Blonde.
I know.
You can't.
Using my shit again. Like, you can't use that. That's because it's been on floor. Did you want to use it?
Yeah. I'm sure I have another one.
See? This one's got hair on it too, but not as much. That's why I don't like spoolies. I don't use them ever. I use them if I just want to make my eyebrows straight.
No, your hair's just went up.
I don't know what the fuck you just said to me.
I can't reach your face. Never been the best at doing makeup on other people.
Yeah, same.
So I don't know how this is going to turn out.
I'm proper shit.
For myself, I think I'm like half decent. But then other people I'm just like...
Yeah, well, like, do my makeup and it's like, I don't know your face. I don't know what looks good on your face.
Yeah, like, I've done practice on my own face.
True.
That's why I know how to do it. I can just conceal it.
Did you fuck up?
You know what I mean? Because I conceal my eyebrows anyway.
Yeah, shouting.
What? What?
What? No! You normally use powder for eyebrows?
Never.
Yeah, so that's probably why. Yeah, I don't really like using, you know, jelly products.
I think it's easy.
I want to try that Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Do you want to look at it so far? I need to conceal it as well.
I think it looks really good!
It's so close to your face!
Because I can't see shit!
It's a double zoom on this now.
That's really good!
Conceal it as well so it
I use better than my eyebrow. What you want? What you being what's it called? Not confident in yourself or?
Because I can't.
That's a sick eyebrow!
It's better than the eyebrows I've got on now.
You can see at the top.
Yeah. I can see it all.
Boring closing my eyes. Can't
It's
see
difficult
out.
to do underneath it. Slipped straight out my hand.
What? Sisters not twins. Sisters not twins.
They're not ever going to be friends. Oh my god.
What are those?
Turn your head. Why'd you turn it that way?
You said to turn it.
What? I moved my hand away from your head, you went. That is definitely chickens. You keep on falling.
Sleepy.
Oh, that was really blocky. Which one? That one's GTA, that one's Minecraft.
Eating my own tongue.
Always your excuse when teachers come up to you in class. Are you eating chewing gum? No, I'm eating my tongue. Yeah, that's what kids say.
Eating my tongue.
I just say I'm chewing on my gums. I do. I take skin off my gums all the time.
So technically I am chewing gum. Yes!
That was good. You need to keep that one in.
Yeah, no. And you need to say that to a teacher. Because I don't have the chewing anymore.
Stop laughing now.
Yeah, I'm sorry, it's just a good one.
That was a chair, not me.
She farted.
Stop moving your head over the
I haven't done out. I don't think I've done out.
I went like that on your head and you went.
Well then do it nicely.
Meh. I'll make it so it's not blocky. This is, they are totally different.
only problem is this one's just a little bit longer.
Why did it make that If I didn't move your head.
You moved it! When we watch this video back, I'll show you moved it there. Okay, so I just watched the video back and it turns out she didn't even move my head, so sorry, Kenzie.
And I can't get up.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
My leg's shaking.
Remember in history once, I sat on my leg like half a lesson to make it go numb on purpose. And I went to walk on it and I just flopped.
I might try it.
Everybody laughs at me, but teacher told me, I was like, I can't walk!
Look at me. That'll have to do.
That'll have to do.
Close your eye then.
So as you can tell, she has already drawn my eyebrows on and concealed my first
Eyelid.
And now she's going to go with the Morphe 35B palette and you're going for the hot pink, right?
Yeah. That hurt?
You poke me!
So I've just hurt you more than Decay hurt you for the whole makeup video.
It feels like when you were doing the lipstick part on my eyes. Now she's going to be going into the orange.
Yeah, I always jump. Oh my god!
Yeah, you always do me.
Doing this one.
Nice, you did it without even me prompting you. What a freak!
Right, does that... Oh my god.
Ooh, I like it!
Do you like
I'm gonna
it?
fucking wear it to work, I think.
Mine just looks plain and basic compared to yours now. You have to listen to me.
Close my eye. I have my eyebrow up. I'm looking at you.
No.
Mum. What's your problem then?
I put it on this bit,
Yeah.
and then you have to go like that.
Okay, cool.
That's how to get a quick cut crease.
I see people do this.
Do it. Like yours.
What about you just put it a little
Oh.
bit higher?
It did it a bit. Yeah, but it's too high up now. You can't talk or anything in this bit.
I'm doing everything you told me to do earlier.
Then you see like old people, I'll say it, and then you'll never think that they'll be able to do like glam makeup. It's now like we're older because we're used to doing eyeshadow when we're younger. Because when like elderly people now, they never had makeup like this.
Yeah, that's true.
So we're all gonna be like rocking around when we're like 80 odd with like vibrant eyeshadow.
See, I'm thinking, what type of clothes will we wear too? Because in olden days, girls wore dresses and
Yeah.
men wore suits. But now, girls wear tracksuits and girls wear trainers. Will there be old people rocking about in Nike tracksuit?
And then I need to add yellow and orange.
Yeah, just poke my eyeball out.
I didn't.
You did! Next, Kenzie's going to be using the OmGlitter Neon Pigment in yellow on for my eyeliner bit. I'm going to make it into like a paste.
It looks more green.
Well, does it still look good?
Hmm.
That's a no.
It's not the straightest line.
That's probably the best I've had that eyeshadow put on my
That's
face.
probably the best eyeshadow I've done.
What? This?
Yeah.
You'll have to take a picture and put it on your page. Which
Yeah,
is in the comment description below.
Yep. So you did that, right? Smooth that. I think I can do that one sitting here.
Okay. You sticking eyelashes on me?
Yeah. That's the grand
Finale.
finale. I did that noise so you got prepared. Right, we need to do the same thing on this side. So you need to lift dry lid up. It's not just it. There we go. So then it's even.
Stephen.
I can feel your eye. I can see your
Not
eye
moving about.
moving about.
Sorry, it's boring under here. Oh my god.
Turn orange. Why should you look at that close?
Because I can't see it. I'm blind. You don't understand the severity of my eyesight.
I'm trying to like lick it off my hand or something.
Like,
Getting a bit worried. Like, what was she doing?
why you kept dragging it away from me?
Yeah.
Did she not have any on bottom? Your phone just turned off.
I don't know. Why don't you do mascara?
Do mascara? I don't know if there's any up here. There's some there. Yeah, I know! You and Deacon Lee are just the same.
I'll put on this on, come on.
Put it on my face.
That's not enough.
I know it's not. Don't feel like you put any on.
This is not your hair, don't worry.
Next she's going to be going into the Saharan Blush Volume 1 to do my contour.
Using the Neo.
Ooh, yeah. This actually looks pretty nice.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
Like full.
Nice.
Yeah, I think that's nice.
So this is the final look. I actually think it's pretty fucking good. So I'm going to wear this to work tonight, except the eyelashes, because that's just too much. But I am going to wear it. And thank you so much for coming up and doing my makeup. Want to say anything about this look?
I like it.
Oh, that's great. I hope that the Instagram girl thinks that we did it justice. Well, thinks that she did it justice. I think she did. I think she did really well. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Share it with your friends. I don't mind. You better share it. You better like and subscribe. She better do. Actually, she's already subscribed.
Yeah.
I'll give her that one. So I'll see you in... Oh, get them glasses out my hand. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Wave down.
Bye.
What the hell?